Eileen, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so today let us have here the vocabulary. Okay, so we're going to talk about clothing. Okay, our topic for today is about clothing, what you wear. Okay, so this is our topic about clothing, what you wear. Okay, day 11. So we're going to talk about different clothing. But before that, we have different vocabulary. We have the word dress, this one, skirt, or a blouse, high heels, sandals, gloves, pajama, trousers, and sweater. Okay, so as you have seen here, Lynn, please check. Okay, what is your favorite clothing?
My favorite.
Clothing, the one that you like to wear or that you're
I
comfortable to
like to
wear.
wear short,
And
and maybe the polo shirt.
okay, polo shirt, you like it. Okay, how about dress? Do you like to wear dress, Lynn?
Oh no,
You don't like?
yes,
Yeah, why? You will not feel comfortable
yes. When I play,
when you play. Okay. So teacher Anne loves to wear trousers and what else? Pants. I love to wear dress. Oh, I don't like to wear too shorts. Okay. Next one. So we have here the grammar lead. What are you wearing today? Okay. So what are you wearing today? I'm wearing a red dress that I bought last week. Okay. How about you, Lead? What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a trouser and a shirt too.
Okay, I'm wearing a trousers and a short too. Okay. Do you like sweaters?
Mm, yes, I love it.
Yes, I love them. Do you like wearing jeans in the summer?
Now it makes me feel uncomfortable.
Okay. Okay. How about you? Okay. So like when asked you, this is not about, you will not read this one. You will gonna answer. Okay.
Okay.
Lynn, do you like sweaters, Lynn?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you like wearing jeans in the summer? It's summer now.
No, because I think that is not uh real. It's very hot. Yes.
It's very hot. It's very hot in summertime. What are your favorite clothes, Lynn?
My favorite clothes that um a, a shirt and a short.
Okay, so that's it's not your favorite clothes. Okay. So how about, do you like to wear hoodie jacket? Do you like to wear hoodie jacket?
I think it's no.
It is. Do you like to wear hoodie jacket?
No.
You don't like that much. Okay. Okay. So mark each word with the pictures and write the correct letter. Mark each word with the pictures and write the correct letter. Okay, please write the correct letter.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, let me see. Okay, correct. Hmm, Scarf, yes, this one. Windbreaker. Okay, letter H. Where's letter H here? I mean, now pick you are. I didn't say letter H. Ah, this one. It's hoodie. Like hoodie, skirt, hat, suit. Yeah, short. Suit is this. T-shirt, glasses, pants, sneakers, the one you wear. Okay, and you can also you call this as trainers. Okay, blouse and shoulder bag. Okay, so here, Lynn, please let us listen about these two guys. Okay, they are, please listen. Okay, and then the girl is asking about dress, the clothing that she asked if what do these two guys think of the clothing.
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, so again,
Do you like this blouse?
Yes, that blouse is beautiful.
Thank you. What about these shoes? Do you like them?
I like those shoes. I really like those shoes.
And what about this dress?
I really like that dress.
You do.
You look like a movie star. Julia Roberts.
I see. And this skirt?
That skirt is very nice.
Bob. Bob!
What?
What about these sweaters?
I like those sweaters. Those sweaters are beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Lynn, you could read this one and after we will answer, okay? So they're talking, there are two people, three. We have Cheryl. Cheryl keep on asking to Bob and Paul. Okay, so who do you think is Paul in the picture? Who do you think? This one or this one?
Um, the man with a red shirt, t-shirt.
Okay, the one in the red shirt. Okay, Paul said it's beautiful. Okay, I like what Bob said. He likes the shoes. I really like those shoes. And what about this dress? I really like that dress. Okay, so they compare Cheryl to Julia Roberts, the movie star. Okay, okay. So, and Bob and Paul, they think love sweaters. Okay, those sweaters are beautiful. Okay, so we have here, please try to answer. You can write your questions, answers in the chat box. Please answer this. And after that, we're going to talk to each other.
T-shirt and finish.
Okay, so does Bob like the blouse in the video? Yes, she does, right? And what does Bob think about the skirt? Okay, what does she think? Clean, she think it is?
Beautiful.
It is beautiful, teacher. Who think the blouse is beautiful? Is it Bob again?
I think yes.
And what do Bob and Paul think about the shoes? They
The
think that the shoes is,
beautiful.
okay, literally beautiful. Do you think the men were honest in their opinions? Okay, like, do the men said that they
No,
were
they don't.
honest? No, they don't. Why you say they are not honest? In this video, why they are not honest? Because
Because the two men is focused
they are not focusing on the question of Shirel. Where
and
did they focus?
they focus in the TV. The
Yeah,
football game.
correct. They focus on the TV where they watch football match. So I don't think so also that they are okay honest with their opinions. So they are not actually focusing in here. Okay, so over to you. What is she wearing? Okay. So here, look at this. Okay, let us ask and answer. Okay. I have here. Sorry, Lina. Okay. Do you often try clothes when you go shopping, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, yes. What do you wear to a birthday party?
I think that I will wear a dress, a beautiful dress.
Okay. So when was the last party that you attended to?
Uh, I don't know. Maybe it's last month.
Okay, whose party is that?
It's my friend birthday.
Your friend's party. Okay, that's good. Okay, so this one. Okay, when was your last birthday, Lynn?
Uh, it's last year.
Last year. And then what is the best present that you got from your parents?
My best, uh, my best
Present or the gift?
present of my parents is when they bought me a a new phone.
A new?
New phone.
New phone. Wow. That's good. Wow. Your mom bought you the new phone. Okay, very good. Yeah. What do you wear to a birthday party? Okay, mostly when you go birthday party, we have to wear something special, like a dress. It could be like that, okay?
Okay.
Now, do you often get dressed when going out?
No, because I don't think that is very important.
Okay, you don't think that's very important. How about if you go with your classmates? Will you
Yes,
gonna dress out or not exactly?
not exactly.
Okay. How about when you go or go in the with your family? Okay, by the way, do you go out with your family and eat outside?
Sometime.
Okay, sometimes. What do Vietnamese people often wear to a funeral? Example, someone is dead.
Uh, Vietnamese people often wear the dog the dog cloth
Mm-hmm.
to a funeral.
Okay, they want to wear black clothes to foreigner. Okay. So have you ever lost self-confidence because of the clothes that you are wearing?
I think no.
Okay. So example, you will go to the party and then your classmates or your friends are wearing so beautiful dress and then you did not inform that it was a formal party and you're not wearing a dress, you're wearing a short. What do you think well you feel at that time?
I think that uh, I will a little bit shy and worry.
That's it, okay. So you might be shy or worried. Okay. Is your fashion style different from 5 years ago? Is your fashion style different from 5 years ago?
I think that no, because when I was a kid, I like to wear color clothes, and now I like yes, I am too. I like colorful clothes.
Great. Yes, it can be. Okay, describe what you're wearing now and your favorite clothes in 5 sentences. Okay, you can write your answer in the chat box. Describe what you are wearing now and your favorite clothes. 5 sentences only.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, so we have here. Okay, so now I am wearing pants and shirt. My favorite style of clothes is colorful clothes. Oh, I really like to wear comfortable clothes whenever I go. Wherever, okay, wherever I go, not whenever, Lynn, wherever I go, like pants, t-shirt, sandal, but mostly I like wearing shorts and shirts. Okay, so you feel comfortable, Lynn, when you wear shorts and t-shirts. Very simple. Okay? Okay, that is what I understand. Okay, let us. Okay. Let us continue the 9A intermediate, which we talked yesterday, but we were not able to finish. I'll share it to you now, Lynn. Okay, so we have here, Lynn. We are finished with this, right? Lynn?
Yes.
Yes, we are done with this. Okay, the different vocabulary finished. Okay, how about this? Are we done doing the quiz?
Yes. Think we
Yes?
done
Yeah.
this.
Yes, this one. I remember this one.
Oh, yes.
Eh, and this one.
Yes.
This task 5. How about task 6? That one.
Oh, yes.
And this one.
Yes.
The Malcolm. Okay. This one, task 10.
Yes.
Okay, so it means we're done with 9A. Okay, this one. Okay,
Yes.
this one. Prepositions.
Not yet.
Okay, so please continue prepositions. Wait me for a minute, Lina. Una na guys, si item 44, naka-flash si Not 24. Ayan guys, check out na kayo mga sis. For Morena, I think pwede naman kahit ano sis. Pwede na naman yan kahit ano skin color natin. Feel ko okay na pa rin si Watch and Silver. Si Gold and Silver. Pwede pa rin yan sis. Pero bet mo guys, if mahilig ka sa mga gold, or wala ka masyadong gold, wala ka masyadong silver, ayun, pili ka lang sis. Feel ko ano yan, bagay naman yan kahit ano. And guys, voucher. Next time is item number 4. Wait lang ko sa mga nagpapaflex ha. Item 40 tayo. Lang guys, item number 4. Ito sis ko sa item number 4. Ito sis ko sa item number 4. Ang chinek out ko dito sis na color is color pink. Sobrang light pink lang niya, I swear. Hindi siya mabigat sa tenga, hindi siya mabigat sa ears. Ayan po sa item number 40 guys. Wala siyang grado ha, hindi siya anti-run. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, pwede po siya papalit na LED. Sabi po na ibang buyers natin guys na dito, sabi po na ibang buyers natin from the past, napapalit daw po nila yung LEDs nito na may grado. Miss Neo, Miss Scarlett, depende po yan sa blouse. Hindi po kasi pare-pareho mga sizing ng mga blouse natin. Mag-ano lang kayo guys, pwede kayo mag-refer sa size grade. Pwede kayo mag-refer sa size grade. Pero sa mga blouse ko ng next halos, kung ano yung size ko sa mga damit, yun ang puti. Usually pero check mo pa rin sa size guide, Miss Neo, Miss Scarlett. Kasi hindi po sila pare-pareho ng sizing. Okay? Ayan. Ayan guys, sa mga magpapaan ng items, ganito lang po ha. Ruan po kayo guys mag-add. For example, sis, ito yung best mo na item, pero wala siya sa orange bag. So, ang gawin mo sis is, click mo lang itong share button. Tapos, copy in. Copy info, and then balik ka lang sa live sis. I-paste mo na siya sa comment section. Automatic na po yun sis. And then, sa mga nagpapaflex po, ito lang po ang pwede. 36 to 42 and 49 to 86. So, kung meron gusto ipa-flex yan guys, pasabi na lang po ng item number with the money. Within 7 to 10 days guys, paresin yung mga items.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. So we have one of, have you ever heard about, or about, very good. You look worried. What are you thinking of about? What do you think of my dress? Through the ball? It was unkind to throw a ball. Okay, at the dog. I write to my friend. I wrote about my holiday on the blog. My teacher agreed to my request to leave early. I don't agree with you. Hey. Okay, Lynn, we don't have enough time for now. So teacher and we'll say goodbye. And I will see you on Sunday. For Sunday, Lynn, we're going to have 7 p.m., right, Lynn?
Yes.
Yeah, not, wait, Lynn, Not
9.
9 p.m. anymore, 7 p.m. Okay? I will see you 7 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, thank you, Lynn. Bye-bye. Good night, Lynn.